face. Watch it. There we go. Yes. All right, one more. That was nothing. Oh my gosh, my parents showed up. They pretend they don't know who I am. Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. Thanks for stopping to watch the show. Okay, here we go. One more stunt. Are you filming?
Yep.
All right, 3D. Yes. All right, guitar on the foot. Spinning guitar. Clap a little bit. Okay, everybody concentrate. Watch it. Air guitar. You're making so much noise. You guys ready for this finale? Say yeah.
Yeah.
That's what's up, y'all. All right. You know I'm getting serious because I am doing a microphone switch.
Check 1, 2, check 1, 2, 3, check. All right, man. Thanks for stopping, guys. My name's Jordan. I design and build musical instruments. Let me tell you a little bit. Hi. Yeah, let's all do that. Everybody say hi, Jordan.
Hi, Jordan.
What's up, y'all? You guys are a beautiful crowd, man. Let me tell you a little bit about this machine. This is not a robot. No backing tracks, no tricks, no looping. Everything that you're gonna hear is live music. So there's a big pedal board beneath my feet. When I perform faster, I'm using both feet. Does it extend? Does it extend more? Oh, is that it? Is that it? Nobody's ever done this before. You're the only person with this footage. Your arm's gonna tire. So when I play faster, I'm using both of my feet. Most of the work is just my right foot. Sorry. Very simple drum beat. Traditional drummer. Both hands and both feet. That was my right foot. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pedals. You guys could clap a little bit for 1 foot drumming. All right, I know it's not much, but you can't do it. You have the strongest shoulder in the world. Up here we have a combination instrument. Oops, hold on. I need to replace my Velcro. I roadie for myself. Guitar, bass, mini keyboard. So this is the bass neck. It's flipped upside down. Strings are on the back of the instrument. I'm gonna perform bass using my left thumb. I'm from Kansas, guys, and we like a little country music, so you have to forgive me for this. I will rock your faces off right after this. Well, I play a little bass line with my thumb while I strum the guitar with my left thumb. Okay. All right, man, get ready. This is the They're cheering for the country music. Man, I just want to marry all of you right now. You're a great crowd. Most difficult thing that I do. At the end of the song, I'll divide my right hand into 2 parts. Keyboard with the 4 fingers of my right hand, while I strum guitar with my thumb. One hand, 2 different universes. Bass line with the other thumb, drums with my feet, and I'll sing. By God, I'll cheer for myself if I have to. Thank you. I'm cheering for you guys. You guys are great. I am street performing out here today. I'm going to give you guys this finale. I built an old school one-man band straight out of high school. I did thousands and thousands of shows. I funded all of this just doing street shows. And now I want to do bigger things. So I just got to LA like a week ago. It is just me and you still, though, just for now. So I would like some of your money. If cash tips go through the ring on the front of the box at Lonesound Ranger. If you want to fund the show, you don't know how much to tip, I would recommend tipping $20. This ATM is right over there. $5 is $1 for each instrument. It's because some people tip like that I'm able to do this. So a lot of respect to y'all. Thanks for stopping. Come up at any time you are watching Lonesound Ranger. Yeah, you're right. Run back and get the 5. It's a game. He doesn't want to tip the 1. Get the 20, man. You can't think it's 20.